Who's the alpha dog, Charlie? Grow a pair, Charlie. Hey, Alan, come here.
What's going on?
I'm doing Lydia's laundry.
Can I throw in my handkerchief?
It wouldn't help. You probably have to burn it.
Okay. And why are you doing Lydia's laundry?
Because Berta won't.
Then why doesn't Lydia do it herself?
Because I told her I'd get Berta to do it.
Aha. And do you have any idea how to do laundry?
Oh, come on. You wash them, you dry them. How tough could it be?
So what do you need me for?
Which one's the washer?
That one.
Thanks.
Just kidding, it's that one. Sorry, it was the first one. Look, it says wash on the dial.
Okay, I can do this. I just turn it on and stick them in.
It's a washing machine, not a cocktail waitress. Let's start by separating her delicates.
How is that not like a cocktail waitress?
The reason you need to do these separately is they're mostly synthetic.
Had a beat-up Civic and an ex-husband, and we're back to cocktail waitress.
Charming. Hand me the detergent.
This stuff here?
No, that's fabric softener. You put that in after the first rinse cycle.
You know what? Maybe I'll just buy her some new clothes.
Don't be such a baby. Detergent. See? There we go. Cold wash, cold rinse, gentle cycle, done.
What's that?
That would be water entering the washing machine.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cutting edge.
Did I break it?
Close the lid.
Son of a gun. What will they think of next?
Yeah, I hear scientists are working on a machine that can cook 2 pieces of bread at the same time.
Yeah. Very funny. Now what?
We wait.
How will we know when they're done?
Don't worry, the machine will call you on your cell phone.
Really? I know what Berta's always complaining about. This is kind of fun.
Yeah, well, you're dealing with pretty girl underwear. Berta's got to handle Jake's skivvies after PE and pudding pops.
Good point.
Who's using my washing machine?
Excuse me, but it's my washing machine, and I'm using it to wash Lydia's clothes.
You're doing laundry?
Hey, it's not rocket science. Cold wash, cold rinse, gentle cycle. But first, you separate the delicates.
Is that so?
Yeah, that's so. That's probably them now. Hello? Oh, hey, Mom. I thought you were my washing machine.